Did you know you could easily build a publishing business using books in the public domain? You can become a publisher of the most popular books in the world, and all you need is a computer. We have the perfect solution to make this a reality for you. Presenting our exclusive pack of 300 fully formatted and edited manuscripts of top-selling public domain books, ready to be published in under 30 minutes on platforms like KDP Publishing, Barnes & Noble, and any printing company that prints books. But first, let's understand what public domain books are. They are literary works whose copyrights have expired, making them free for anyone to publish and profit from. Some of these works are bestsellers and the most influential in literary history. Our package includes classics like Shakespeare's captivating plays, Arthur Conan Doyle's thrilling Sherlock Holmes series, the introspective Anna Karenina by Tolstoy, Oscar Wilde's witty tales and dramas, The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman, Ernest Hemingway's absorbing narratives, plays by Anton Chekhov, and many more. Start your publishing business now. Visit our online shop where you can download your very own pack and get started. We also offer a smaller package of 150 fully formatted and edited manuscripts equally ready for immediate publishing. All manuscripts are completely formatted, edited, and designed, ready to be published. And the best part? Your books can go live on Amazon in 24 hours or less. So why wait? Embark on your money-making and publishing journey today with our ready-to-publish manuscript packages. Share the classics, publish hundreds of books, and build your own publishing empire. Kickstart your journey to profitability and publishing success now at our online shop. Download your 300 or 150 manuscript pack and get started on a lucrative venture.